hair cloth. This is the thing that I will be incorporating and trying to be consistent with. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Teresa M, aka 50 Plus 2013. Today's video is just all about my hair. Alright, so I wanted to do this video because I've been on a hair journey, and I'll talk more about that deeper into the video. But I just want you to know that I have been struggling with my hair due to thyroid problems that came about through dealing with a narcissist and just big life changes. I want to show you how, in spite of my hair still breaking off and still just giving me trouble through my thyroid problem, it is growing, and I have been taking thyroid medicine and I think it's helping. But mainly I just wanted to share with you just a bit of this hair journey situation. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy the video and I will see you later. I just finished making myself some breakfast, but I'm going to start out by addressing the elephant in the room, my gray hairs. And the reason why these are all prominent and sticking out in my hairline is because I just finished perming my hair. This is my holy grail. I was pleasantly surprised because in this box it came with a new step and a new product. And what it is, it's called the Fiber Strength Post-Treatment with Protein. I really like that that's a part of this package deal. They're constantly improving this. If you really want to know, I've been doing Dark and Lovely for so many years, and they're always improving and advancing the product, and the price still remains the same. So I'm really happy that I ended up deciding to pick that. I had these two products also, and this is Gray Away, and this is Bijan Darkest Brown semi-permanent hair color. This is a holy grail. I use this usually all the time whenever I do my perms or touch-ups, or whenever I just need to color my grays. But this one, I just thought I'd try this because sometimes whenever I use this, the gray hair, it doesn't really dye it dark brown. It ends up making it like reddish or brownish, just some other color that I don't get. This, I thought maybe I'd try this, and it's just a pencil, it's a crayon on one end, and then on the other end is like a sponge to blend with. I might try this when I do my hair, because I'm going to be blow drying my hair with you and talking about the progress of the growth and all that. I'm going to go ahead and finish my coffee, and then I'm going to go in the restroom, flat iron my hair, and talk a little bit more about my hair journey. Good morning. I make myself a cinnamon toast. So I'm going to just put 2 slices of bread in the toaster. And then what I do is take some sugar, pour some in any type of container that I can pour from, any type of, usually a measuring type of cup. And I shake cinnamon in there till I get a good mixture and a good consistency. I just keep shaking, putting it in there. I think that's enough, maybe more than enough. So I make sure I have a container that has enough room where the sugar and cinnamon mixture don't jump out. And I just keep shaking it around till it get mixed up really good. I brew coffee ahead of time, and I put it in these. I had a glass bottle that I bought from Marshall's, but it cracked. And I think it was always cracked because it always leaked in the fridge. So I have to return that just as soon as Marshall's and the stores open up. But I go ahead and brew coffee the night before. And I put so much coffee in it, so much ice in it. And I do this before I put the creamer in it. I put the coffee in first just so I can see about how much coffee I have, which is in this case, a half a cup, I guess you could say. Go ahead and pour some creamer in. I'm just using this one from Winco. It's caramel macchiato. I don't like my toast real burnt. I think my granddaughters or somebody set the temperature, changed the settings on the toast. And just pour this until I like the way it looks. And of course it will be sweet enough for me. So I'm going to get the toast out. Put some butter on it. And I usually use one of these to put spread butter with. So then what you do is just sprinkle that on, and it kind of just melts right in. And you can just do a little or a lot, and it looks like that. This is my breakfast. We're going to talk about my hair and the hair journey. I've been on a hair journey for 2 years and some months. And the cause of it was just a big shock to my body, trying to escape the narcissist. And all of a sudden realized that I have all the bills to pay by myself. I didn't have a car, transportation to and from work. And I didn't know how I was going to manage with just a single paycheck. But as you can see, I managed, thank the Lord, and really and truly to God be the glory. But in the meantime, as much as I felt like I was in control of my life and not out of control, I didn't even notice that I felt stress. Although my body let me know by just acting up, and then it really affected my thyroid. Hence my hair problems. So my hair just completely just dried out. It just turned to wire initially. It was just so weird. I'll insert pictures of my hair when I first left the narcissist and moved in here, and then a picture where I decided to do a big chop, and then you can clearly see where it's at now, a little past my shoulders. All right, so in leaving the narcissist and trying to figure out my life, I did get put on thyroid medicine. In the beginning, I didn't take it properly. And it's just been about a good 6 months that I really was dedicated to taking it like I'm supposed to, which is first thing in the morning. I'm not really a hair person, so I don't really give credit to any one particular product. I did try to stretch my perms to 4 times a year. But I've always worn my hair in a ponytail regardless. But in the beginning, when I wore a ponytail, I cut off a portion of satin cloth, which is this. And I kind of protected my old hair with it by covering it like this whenever I used it in a bun. I kind of kept my hair protected, and I wore umbrellas when it was summertime to cover up my hair and kind of protect it from the heat. In the beginning, I used bottled water to wash my hair, purified water, because I didn't know what the water situation was like in the apartment. And slowly but surely my hair must have adapted to it, because I now use just the shower water. I did learn to deep condition. Here and there I would do scalp massages. I bought different kinds of hair greases throughout the year, shampoos that were for promoting growth. The problem with my hair was not just from heat damage or everyday damage. It was my hormones. So I had to just be patient. So basically my hair still breaks out daily. I still have hair everywhere. It just breaks out every day. With that, I was very stressed out about my hair falling out. I didn't like to take a shower and wash my hair in the shower, because I just hate watching all of my hair go down the drain and everything like that. And side note, this is the first weekend that I decided to use something to unclog the hair. My drains have slowly been being affected by all the hair that I lose in the shower and then, you know, in the sink or whatever. So I in particularly bought some hair clog Drano, and I put that in last night, and anxious to see how that goes. So my hair is yet breaking off. I don't know when that's going to stop, but like I said, I have been consistently taking my thyroid medicine like I'm supposed to, and I really don't fuss over my hair. I was the type of person that liked to wash my hair every 3 to 5 days. I just was a fanatic. I just love clean hair. And I was very rough on my hair. I just had the type of hair that you didn't have to baby or anything. It just had some really durable hair. And I think that just is the kind of hair my family have, because I have a sister that's just a year older than me and her hair is down to her tailbone. Then I have a younger sister and she perms and dyes and cuts, and when her hair is still, it's not long because she keeps it short, but it's still healthy. So we kind of have that hair that just survives on its own. I don't really worry too much anymore about the breakage and the constant falling off because it was just controlling my life. So I decided to just let that go, turn that over to the Lord, let it go. And I don't really worry because hair is hair, and I know my hair grows sort of fast. So I had to let that go because, like I said, it was controlling my life. But in the meantime, my primary did refer me to a dermatologist, and they recommend a liquid that they had me a prescription to put on my scalp, and I paid money for it and I never used it, so that was a waste. So then on my last visit, so I didn't do anything else for as rogain type of things, but on my last visit, I asked, is it okay that I use just over-the-counter rogain, Walmart brand, whatever, and they said that's fine. Now, I have yet to be consistent with this. It's just a foam. And this is like 3 months worth, and you just apply it every night. And basically, I'm just using that around my temples. Now, I believe my temple, the thinning of the hair, is due to genetics, and then also I wear my hair back all the time. And then maybe not that much to do with my thyroid, but it's getting hot in here. But this is the thing that I will be incorporating and trying to be consistent with, and just make this a part of my nighttime.